another weekend in lockdown. Another coffee being made.
Show you how to make a perfect poached egg if you want.
Okay, so let's show you how to make a perfect poached egg. Okay. Do you want to take over this segment of the vlog?
Yeah. What's going on, guys? Back at it again. Keira Mclean vlog. Today we're gonna be making the perfect poached egg. So what you want is I always get a coffee cup or teacup, or just boil in the kettle right now as well. Don't know why mom reuses tea bags, kind of weird, but we're gonna need some others. I use some white wine vinegar, don't need much, but apparently if you put that plus a bit of salt in, then it kind of sets the egg. So I'm gonna put you right there. I only put it in the kettle because it's just easier to bring it to a boil, it's like quicker. So once you do that, just put it in. Don't need much. I probably put too much in all the time. I'm only making one egg, so I only got 2 bits of bacon. So what you want to do, just get your white wine vinegar. Literally, the smallest bit. It kind of adds like flavour to the eggs as well. I don't want to sound like an absolute weirdo, but it does. And just hit my head off it. Put some salt in. And you probably have one of these in your house. It like helps you scoop up the egg whilst draining it out, so it's very good. I use that all the time. And you just kind of mix that in. So, here, little boy, and give it a little smash. And kaboom. So, my water is at a boil, but not boiling like going mad boiling, because it'll break your egg. And you want to just put it right in the middle, and as it spins, it will kind of go into itself.
Hopefully.
And see if it's kind of like setting on its own. I don't know if you can see that. You can kind of see it like have like a thing around it. That's just excess that will get cut off, by the way. But you'll know when it's ready when the egg goes to the top. When it starts rising to the top, that's when it's close. Then it's just kind of personal preference how you want it. But you always want that Gucci runny shiz.
Does it like a runny egg?
Why?
Just don't. It gives me the bulk.
It's amazing.
Makes me think of like
babies.
Yeah. Does it like a runny egg? It freaks me out.
Okay, this is kind of messy, but trust that it'll be good.
Here he goes for the scoop.
Okay. It's hot. So you want to just put your little egg on that. Just drain it off. But obviously don't want to burst it. And that's a little wrinkly poached egg. Okay, I usually make it look a lot more appealing than this, but we got the egg. Just put some bacon on it, and it's a good one. So yeah, that's how you make a nice poached egg. Okay, bye.
Don't actually know how Harris ended that part of the vlog, but there was how to make a poached egg with Harris. I feel like this whole video is literally just going to be us cooking, because like literally we're stuck in, so what else are we meant to do? We're going to make some lunch. I think I might actually make like a toasty on the frying pan, because we have parma ham. Parma ham and brie is like, this is the ultimate toasty. Parma ham, chili jam, brie. Oh my gosh, I made myself an iced coffee. So good. Do you want to come do a quickfire round with me?
What?
I'm answering questions. Quickfire. Come and sit then. So I can see you. So, giving presents or getting presents?
Given.
Same. Do you like the smell of gasoline? It's American, so like petrol.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah. Have you ever tasted soap?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Swore once in like P5 and Colin told on me and I had to brush my teeth out with soap.
I was thinking that as well. I probably have, like if I've been washing my face and it's went into my mouth. If this is a question that I originally answered, since you never do this. If the toilet paper roll is really low but not completely out, do you replace it or do you leave it for someone else?
Doesn't matter. Leave it.
If you were really hungry, would you eat a bug? I ate a bug the other day, funny story about this, I don't know if I told you this. Me and mum were out a walk and I sniffed up a fly, right, but someone was walking towards me so I couldn't pure like do that to try and get it out. And then 2 minutes later, like I felt something in my tongue and I stuck my tongue out and the wee fly was just on it. Would you go to a movie alone?
Yeah, I've done it before.
Have you?
Yeah.
When?
Not too long, I was working when I wasn't.
No, fair enough. I considered doing that once when I worked in Shoe. Do you think anyone considers you a hipster?
Yeah, Matt McGowan.
Does he?
Yeah, because the wear clothes that are weird. Probably thinks I'm a hipster. Not really a hipster, but just like...
I feel like I used to be quite hip. Like back in the day. See when I look back at my
I just say I
Instagram.
like to experiment with some clothes sometimes.
See when I look back at my Instagram, man, I used to be fucking hip
Or
as.
wear something other than jeans and a white t-shirt or whatever. Like you, Matt, if you're watching.
Matt probably isn't watching this last video. Sour Patch Kids or Swedish Fish, so instead of
Sour
Swedish Fish, we'll say Fizzy Fish.
Fizzy fish.
Fizzy Fish are like the ultimate sweet. If you've never tried them, then...
Shout out Cam Patrick for the suggestion. He's the one that showed me. Okay.
What is wind?
What?
What is wind?
Someone comes out
I was thinking.
after a boona.
Which animal adds more joy to the world, squirrels or llamas? Llamas.
Llamas.
Obviously. Last question.
Two speaks.
How do you feel about cranberries?
And class.
I like cranberries as well. Oh my god, it's heavy. So we got our pizza delivery here. If you've got a little Instagram page, then I'll put it in the description. But if you live in my area, then you should be able to get this. I'm gonna use a screwdriver to open it. So it's basically like a pizza kit and you get like your dough and stuff in it and then you just make it in the oven. So, ooh, that's so cute. Ugh. So this is what you get in the little kit. You get one little ball of dough for each of you and then you get your cheese and your pasta sauce. I'm so excited. We got like, what did we get? Like pepperoni,
goat's cheese,
mascarpone cheese, pesto. We get loads of
chicken, peppers, onions.
Ooh, I'm so
Pineapple.
excited. This is going to be so funny. So we're going to make that tonight for dinner. So basically our pond's getting emptied and we're getting like a seating bit put into it. So we went to take Archie a walk and Dad's found a bunch of like newts. So we're going to rescue them instead. I'm filling my vlog in on what we're doing. So here's the little, if you don't like little animals and stuff then look away because they look kind of gross, but that's basically filled with newts. When I say we're going to rescue them, I mean we're going to take them round the corner to a stream and let them all out in the stream. Coming to the end of this vlog, even though I've literally not vlogged the rest of the weekend, but it's fine. On Sunday I made a brunch for all the family. My brothers had requested pancakes, so I made some pancakes. I'll put a little photo and a wee video in here of them. And then I didn't really feel very well the rest of the day. I was up till 4 in the morning. I had like really sore like cramps and stuff. If you know then you know. So yesterday I literally just took it easy. I cleaned out all my room, baked a banana bread, that was it. And then today I let myself have I didn't even have a lie-in. I watched a programme on BBC iPlayer called, what was it called? Normal People. Very good programme. It's a little bit raunchy, I'm not gonna lie, but I really enjoyed it. So I started watching that last night at like 12 and I finished it this morning. There's 12 episodes and I finished them. Very good programme, really enjoyed it. Also main guy in it, wow, beautiful, beautiful, stunning specimen, bless the earth. But yeah, I'm just gonna take it easy the rest of the day, film some vids tomorrow, and I'm gonna, I think I'll vlog next weekend as well because it's my mum's birthday. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Obviously don't want to get... I just broke the egg. I'm naked. Take two. Keira, delete that, please.